This is my microphone. Using the foam packaging as a stand for my microphone to decrease the vibrations that are coming out of my desk and out of my voice. I shall attempt sockage covering. I am covering the microphone now using a sock because covering microphones with socks is in right now. It's very chic. It's very gauche. Means now we have the sock and the sorry. Now we have the sock and the sock top side. We have two layers of sock. Technically three, because the second layer is a double layer because one layer is just the skin and the other layer is just the tip part of the sock. Well, you can imagine like sock over microphone, very sockage.